Alright, y'all, so we got a beast in the build today, and I don't really think I gotta say anything about this. Like, I think it explains itself right here. So, and I only have 4 words to say about this thing, though. Let's get into it. Alright, y'all, so the hype is real today, okay? We got the Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G because I just pre-ordered this thing and it just got in the mail today. It actually got delayed though, just like I literally just ordered something not even that long ago and that got delayed too. But now I got my pre-order S20 Ultra 5G, which means I had the $200 pre-order credit, which means that's on its way right now. Actually, one of the things I used with that pre-order credit was a SmartThings bulb, and that's on its way right now. It's coming Wednesday, so y'all see that. Now, at first I did say I wasn't gonna get this thing, but I don't know what happened, but I just couldn't not get it. Like, it's just too hard to keep back from not getting. So yeah, we got the S20 Ultra 5G right here and finally doing my unboxing. I think this is earlier than when I did the S10 Plus unboxing when I pre-ordered that on Amazon. So we got Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G. I don't know why they put 5G in it. It really doesn't make sense. Like, all of them are 5G, so why you have to label this as 5G? Like, I understand on the S10 5G, but not on here. So I'll just be calling it S20 Ultra. So we supposed to have like a crazy camera on this thing, 120Hz screen. It's supposed to be crazy. Big battery. I'm hyped for this. So on the left we have S20 Ultra 5G. On the right side we don't got nothing. On the back we got our AT&T logo with S20 Ultra 5G. We got the phone inside, the SIM card, the wall charger, stereo headset, so the USB-C headphones, the quick start guide, and the terms and conditions. And then we got some other info on here. So looking next to the S10 Plus box, we don't got that same like rainbowy effect to it anymore. It's just kind of boring now. I mean, I don't really know how I feel about that, but it's only gray, so I'm not really expecting that. Now, if we had like the Coral Blue S20 Plus, that would be dope. I think we would have that in the box, and I wish they had a Coral Blue for this thing, but I don't know, man. They only have black and gray, which is like really boring. I hate black and gray phones. Like, that's why you don't see not one black phone over here. Even my watch, that's gold. Like, I can't stand black and gray. It's just too boring for me. But I wanted the S20 Ultra 5G with that crazy camera, and I'm going to Punta Cana next month, so I want this thing. I think I'm even gonna be in Vegas this week, so that's gonna be dope. I'm gonna see my brother again, and I think I'm gonna vlog with the S20 Ultra 5G, so stay tuned for that on my Latrell James Etc. channel. But y'all know what time it is. It's time to crack into this box. And we gonna cut that. They need some easy peel tabs on these things or something. But oh my god, that's a big phone. I know I got the S10 5G right here. That's a big phone by itself, but oh man, here is our Galaxy S20 Ultra. Let's pop this thing out the box, y'all. And whoa, there we go. There's that camera. Oh man, this is gonna be dope. Okay, I don't really like how I gotta cover the Samsung logo now because, well, now they even getting any promotion for this phone, even though I'm pretty sure people are gonna know what this camera is. But let's throw that to the side real quick. And let's go and look at the top of this box here. So don't forget this, guys, if you're unboxing your phone, because I always miss this somehow. So in here we got our SIM card ejector tool, and here we just get our usual books and stuff that nobody cares about. What we're gonna do with that? Throw it to the side, obviously. And in here, what do we have here? So got a Samsung logo. Okay, then got our AT&T SIM. Throw that to the side. We have our 25-watt fast charger here, so we got a super fast charger. In this box over here, it looks like we get our USB Type-C to USB Type-C charger. So yeah, the brick by itself is actually USB-C to USB-C. So we're upgrading from the S10 Plus, which was USB-A to USB-C. And in here, we got a USB Type-C AKG headphones. So these are some good quality headphones, y'all. So don't forget about those. And then we got our extra ear tips. All right, y'all, so time to get into this phone, man. Oh my god, you know what we gotta do. Oh, let's peel that off. There we go. Man, this phone is something else, man. Let me go ahead and put it up next to my S10 5G here. So the screens ain't even really that big of a difference. Man, I'm surprised. We got that pre-installed screen protector on this thing. So with the S20 Ultra, we got a 6.9-inch screen, and with the S10 5G, we get a 6.7-inch screen. But you can see right here, we have this big hole punch here, but it has a time of flight sensor and everything in there. But this, it just has a camera in the middle, like the Note 10. So yeah, those are the screens right there. Let's look on the right side. So on the right side, we have our power button and our volume rockers. So on the Note 10, it was actually on the left side. Everything was on the left side. So I guess Samsung just don't know where to put it. And you could just see that bump there with the camera, man. That's crazy. That's actually a huge difference with the S10 5G and the S20 Ultra. But I heard we have autofocusing issues on this thing and the update's supposed to fix it if it didn't come out already, so I'll hop on that. But on the back we got our huge cameras. Oh my god, that 100 times zoom is gonna be crazy, and you can see the space zoom right there. I don't like that the text is right there in the back, but I mean, like, it is what it is, I guess. But next time, don't put it there, Samsung. So we got our cameras, and then we got our Samsung logo right here with some text here at the bottom, so it's not like the S10 5G where you can actually see what phone it is, so yeah, it kind of sucks, and like your hand's gonna cover the Samsung logo. And on the left side, we don't get nothing versus the S10 5G where we get the volume rockers and the Bixby button. So no more Bixby button. The Bixby button is basically the power button. So pretty much just like the iPhone X and the iPhone 11, if you just go ahead and hold on to the power button, then it's gonna bring up Bixby. So, oh my god, Bixby just activated on like literally everything.
Which contact should I call?
Don't call nobody. On the bottom, we got a USB-C port, no headphone jack, just a mic here, and then we got our speakers. And then, like I said, we get a 6.9-inch screen here with the hole punch here, and then we get, you could barely see it, but we have the earpiece speaker right up here. And at the top, we got an SD card slot and our microphone. Alright, y'all, you know what we gotta do. We gotta go ahead and turn this thing on. There we go. So Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G. Man, that is a mouthful. Let's go and wait for this thing to turn on, and there we go. So that was actually pretty quick. Okay then, I wasn't expecting that. So now we can put this thing up against the S10 5G again, and you can see the screen size difference right there. So not that big of a difference, but I mean, it's noticeable. And then let's get our S10 Plus. So yeah, way more noticeable. So I'm gonna go and skip through the setup here, and I'll get back to y'all. Alright, y'all. Man, we are in our S20, oh my god, I'm saying S10, S20 Ultra 5G. So the wallpaper on this thing is actually kind of nice, I'm not gonna lie, but I'm not gonna get too deep into this because it's only the unboxing, and I'm gonna get more into this in other videos. But yeah, that was basically our S20 Ultra 5G right there, man. Oh man, you don't understand how excited I am for this thing. I got some great news. So I'm also getting the Galaxy Z Flip, so stay tuned for that. I'm getting the purple one. And like I said, I got all those things coming that I used my $200 pre-order credit. So this gonna be fun, y'all. So that's pretty much all I got for y'all. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, go and give this video a like. And if you really liked it, go and subscribe. But thanks for watching, y'all. I'll see you on the next one. What do you want to see on this thing, actually? But yeah, peace out. Alright, so y'all probably already seen this space zoom stuff, but let me go and show y'all again. So we got 0.5 times zoom, 1 time zoom, 2 times zoom, 4 times zoom, 10 times zoom, 30 times zoom, and 100 times zoom. Yo, this is crazy, yo. This is crazy. That's scumbag mode right there. That's crazy. That's dope. That's super impressive.